In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get up and running, and it's going to take just a couple minutes. So the first thing you're going to want to do once you're logged into GHL Plugins is you're going to go here. You're going to go to your settings, and the first thing you want to do is set your white label name. In this case, I just use GHL Plugins. Now, by default, we actually load the dark blue from the dark theme. If you actually want to customize the blue bar across the top, you can make it look like your theme. First thing you're going to want to do here is you're going to want to click on Agency Script. You're just going to copy this script, okay, and then you're going to go to, I'm going to move my head here. Of course, you're going to go to your agency company settings, and you're going to go ahead and add this here to your custom JavaScript. Just going to paste it and then click Update Company. The next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to link accounts. The link accounts, we use OAuth 2. What this does is this allows our tools, I'm going to go ahead and do this as I talk, this allows our tools to then work with all of the sub-accounts within your agency. I'm going to allow access to all the sub-accounts as well as future installation. What that does is that makes sure that our tools continue working with your existing sub-accounts, but as well as future ones as well. We're going to go ahead and do that. All right, now we're linked. We're all good. Agency is linked there. Now you have 37 available applications. Now I'm just going to copy this custom menu link. Again, these tools have the ability to work within sub-accounts. They're super powerful. If I take this custom menu link and then I add it to a sub-account or all of the sub-accounts, they instantly become available. On this one here, what I did was I created a custom menu link, called it App. These tools instantly become available. As you notice here, I've got connected apps. I've installed 35 of them so far. So what happens is if I click on Setup, I can enter the API key for my client for this specific sub-account, and instantly all of the workflow actions that we've created based off the API actions that are available for Mailchim, they will instantly become available inside of workflows for this sub-account, and they work directly within the sub-account. One of the great values that you're going to find is we're going to continue to build workflow apps. By doing that, we want to continue to increase the value that you're getting from your investment. Throughout this onboarding, you're going to get an invitation to our Facebook group, as well as you're going to get explanations on how you can get support from our company. In the meantime, if you have any questions, feel free to reply directly to this email, and we'll be proud to serve you and happy to help however we can. Thank you again, and welcome to GHL Plugins.